Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. A cut-off low-pressure system is strengthening to the south of the country, where it's already causing widespread showers and thunder showers. A surface cold front is advancing eastwards, and behind it cold air is streaming in from the west, and this is also resulting in showery conditions in the Karoo today. We're expecting a warm and very windy afternoon on the high veld, and it's very hot today in the low veld as a result of berg winds, but bitterly cold to the west of this front, and snowfalls become more likely as we head towards the evening hours. The cold front will advance eastwards to reach Gauteng and KZN tonight. We're expecting thunderstorms this evening, especially in the eastern Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, while snowfalls will be heavy at times over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape this evening, and heavy rain is also expected overnight along the south coast. This is our rain forecast for today, with an 80% chance of showers and thunder showers over the southern parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, spreading to KwaZulu-Natal. We're expecting showers over the western interior as well. There's even a possibility of thunderstorms over the eastern Free State and the far southeastern parts of Gauteng, as well as the southern high veld. The South African Weather Service warns against a high fire danger in Gauteng, the high veld of Mpumalanga, the eastern Free State, as well as the interior of KZN. Snowfalls will be disruptive tonight, especially over the northern high-lying areas of the Eastern Cape. There's also a watch for heavy rainfall with 50 millimeters or more along the south coast and adjacent interior. And finally, gale force southwesterly winds are expected tonight between East London and Durban. Now that was a mouthful. Let's take a look at this afternoon's temperatures. It's still warm in Gauteng with 27 degrees in Pretoria, but it's much colder in the west with a high of 10 in De Aar, 10 degrees for Graafrenet as well, 5 in Sutherland, Cape Town's high up to 14, and only 13 degrees expected in Port Elizabeth. The wind forecast shows strong winds over the eastern interior, northwesterlies up to 35 kilometers per hour, southwesterlies behind the cold front in the Karoo, and southwesterly winds along the Eastern Cape coastline will become stronger tonight. Let's take a quick look at the snow forecast for the next 48 hours. More than 25 centimeters of snow can fall on the mountains between Rhodes and Elliot overnight, and there's also high amounts of snow expected to the northeast of Graafrenet, as well as on the Winterberg mountain range. Tomorrow we're expecting the very cold weather to spread to Gauteng. Showers become likely in Johannesburg and also parts of Mpumalanga. By Friday, heavy falls are still possible in places over northern KZN. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.